Welcome to Coin Hunter UK. Today, we're looking at the 2012 5 pence coin. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're always ready for our next big find. This was the year of the London Olympics, but does this 5p hold any gold medal value for your collection? Let's jump in and find out. Did you know that the 5 pence coin in your pocket is actually an incomplete picture? This coin is part of one of the world's most unique numismatic designs. When you gather the British definitive coins from 1p to 50p and arrange them in a specific layout, they piece together like a puzzle to reveal the full royal shield of arms. Introduced in 2008 by designer Matthew Dent, this 2014 specimen represents a brilliant fusion of modern art and national heritage. It serves as a symbolic reminder of unity, where every small piece contributes to a much grander and more powerful legacy. In 2005, the Royal Mint took an unprecedented step in British modern numismatic history by launching an open public competition to redesign the reverse faces of 6 circulating coins, from the 1 penny to the 50 pence. Among the thousands of submissions received from acclaimed and established designers, it was the innovative entry by Matthew Dent, who was just 26 years old at the time, that stood out. Dent, then an associate with a small design firm, had seen the competition in the Guardian newspaper. Instead of treating each coin as an isolated canvas, he cleverly conceived an overarching idea, a jigsaw concept where the 6 coins, when brought together, would intricately unite to display the full royal shield of arms. This fresh and ingenious approach, despite Dent's lack of formal numismatic experience, completely captivated the Royal Mint Advisory Committee and won him the prestigious competition over thousands of more seasoned opponents. The core of Matthew Dent's vision was the revolutionary idea that a coin should not just be a self-contained unit of currency, but a vital piece of a larger artistic puzzle. By deconstructing the royal shield and spreading its intricate details across 6 different denominations, he transformed every transaction into a moment of discovery. This bold jigsaw concept was a significant departure from tradition, effectively replacing the 40-year-old designs that had been in circulation since decimalization. It represents a powerful connection between history and modern creativity, showcasing how a young artist could reimagine a nation's identity and turn everyday pocket change into a collective work of art. The next pivotal stage in the coin's creation involved the Royal Mint and its esteemed advisory committee, who meticulously oversaw the transition from concept to currency. The ultimate seal of approval came from Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II herself, who personally sanctioned this revolutionary design. On this 2014 edition, the obverse features the celebrated 4th definitive portrait of the Queen, masterfully captured by sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. This specific effigy, which had been in use since 1998, was designed to show a realistic and dignified representation of the monarch at age 70. This connection between the modern, puzzle, reverse and the classic royal portrait on the obverse bridges the gap between contemporary artistic innovation and centuries of British monarchical tradition. From a technical perspective, this 2014 coin marks a significant shift in the composition of British currency. While older 5p coins were traditionally minted from a copper-nickel alloy, those produced from 2011 onwards, including this 2014 specimen, are struck in nickel-plated steel. This change was implemented by the Royal Mint to manage production costs as metal prices fluctuated. Because of this steel core, these newer coins possess a unique physical property: they are ferromagnetic. This means that unlike the older versions, a 2014 5 pence coin will be instantly attracted to a magnet, a simple yet fascinating test that distinguishes the modern steel era of coinage from its copper-nickel predecessors. To truly understand the significance of this coin, we must look at the historical atmosphere of the United Kingdom in 2014. This was a monumental year marked by the Scottish Independence Referendum, a time when the very future of the Union was being decided at the ballot box. In this context, the royal shield design on the 5p coin became much more than just decoration. It served as a powerful symbol of national unity. Because the shield intricately weaves together the heraldic emblems of England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland into a single image, it stood as a silent, daily reminder of a shared history. Releasing this puzzle piece into circulation during such a politically charged era emphasized the idea that each nation is an inseparable part of a greater whole. The year 2014 also marked a deeply somber and significant milestone, the centenary of the outbreak of World War I. As the United Kingdom paused to reflect on its history and honor the immense sacrifices of the past, there was a profound sense of national remembrance. In this atmosphere, presenting British royal heritage through a fresh, modern lens on the nation's coinage became incredibly important. This 2014 5-pence coin, with its innovative puzzle design, was not just currency, it was a way to keep the symbols of the monarchy and the spirit of the nation alive in the pockets of every citizen. It bridged the gap between a century of sacrifice and a future of creative renewal, ensuring that the dignity of the royal shield remained relevant for a new generation. Now, let's look at where this coin stands today in the eyes of collectors. In 2014, the Royal Mint released approximately 83 million of these 5-pence coins into circulation. While this high mintage figure means the 2014 date isn't considered rare in terms of sheer numbers, its value is heavily dictated by its condition or grade. Most of these coins found in daily change today are worn, scratched, or dull. However, a 2014 specimen in uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated condition, retaining its original mint luster, is much harder to find and holds a special place in a collector's album. For a numismatist, the difference between a common pocket coin and a pristine 2014 piece is what truly defines its worth in today's market. The real excitement for collectors lies in the world of error coins, where a tiny mistake at the Royal Mint can turn a common 5p into a life-changing fortune. First, look out for the off-center strike. If the coin was stamped away from the center leaving a blank crescent, a perfect 2014 error like this could be valued at up to £50,000. Next is the double die error, where the letters or date appear doubled. A rare clear version can fetch £120,000 from high-end investors. Then there is the wrong planchet error, where the 5p design is accidentally struck on a different metal blank. This extreme rarity could reach a staggering £250,000. Even more valuable is the mule error, where the front of the coin doesn't match the back correctly. Such a unique piece could be worth £400,000. Finally, the ultimate prize is a broad strike with a major die crack. A 2014 coin that spread too wide during minting and has a deep structural split. If found in pristine condition, this legendary error could reach the incredible value of £500,000 at a global auction, making it the holy grail of modern British pocket change.